Are you ready to unlock your true potential and finally achieve the GMAT score that you've always dreamed of? If yes, then you wouldn't want to miss our next live session. We're thrilled to have Ruthvik, an eGMAT student who scored a remarkable 745 on the GMAT, join us for a live AMA you simply cannot miss. In this session, Ruthvik will take you behind the scenes of a top percentile score. He will reveal how a 745 scorer actually thinks, the mindset that separates a good score from a great one. He'll break down his section-wise strategy across Quant, DI and verbal so you know exactly where to focus your energy. He will also share how to use your mocks the right way to squeeze every last point. And he will open up about something that every test taker battles, that is staying calm and conquering the test day anxiety on the D-Day itself. And because this is an AMA, the floor is all yours. Bring your toughest questions, your roadblocks, your doubts, and get answers directly from someone who's been exactly where you are and has made it across to the other side. So whether you're just at the beginning of your GMAT journey or pushing for that final breakthrough, this session is designed just for you. So do not wait up, mark your calendars, and join us this Tuesday, the 14th of July on the GMAT Club YouTube channel. Don't miss this chance to learn from a real success story and take your GMAT prep to the next level. With that said, as we always say, happy learning!